Oh, KX250. I knew it. I knew it'd do that.
Hello fellow motorcycle enthusiasts and welcome to the Motor Machines channel. In this episode we are at Whaddon again and it's a Green Sands MCC practice event. The Enduro section has changed quite a bit since the last time I was here. It's 4.8 miles, which is 7.2 kilometers I think. Seems like I can go a lot faster at this Enduro event. It just seems a faster circuit. It's because of these open spaces, I would say. You couldn't really see there, but it was like whoops. I really loved that section, especially as the front wheel kept lifting over them. But you can't really see on the camera. This jump they just dump there is so awkward. It just flicks the back end if you're not careful. The amount of people I've seen get dragged into that rut. I might have a few examples later on in the video. Anyway, I'm on my trusty Honda CRF 260R. I'm really enjoying this bike. It's only the second time I've ridden it, but so far so good. You know what they say, if it's not red, it can stay in the shed. I know it's not the ideal bike for these Enduro events, but it's a great starter's bike. It's forgiving, easy to ride, reliable, and it's not going to tear your arms off. Although it's pulling my sleeves up a little bit here now, we're coming up here into this little right-hander onto this swooping left where I keep nearly losing it. There, it's a patch of gravel or something. Thought I was going to wash out. Oh, here he is. Seems he's got to come past me, hasn't he? He's got to get in front. Okay, let's see if I can keep up then on this section of the switchbacks. It's quite an interesting section for me. I've never done anything like this. It's simple, effective, and enjoyable. I suppose it's sort of testing your abilities on flat ground, which is probably one of my strong points considering I come from a background of just riding on fields. I heard this section being referred to as the Dragon's Back. Obvious reasons, up, down, up, down. To me, I found that this was really to do with balance and consistency. You had to keep the flow going. I wanted to go a little bit faster here, but I was getting held up, and other times I just kept getting held up. There's no space for overtaking, unfortunately. I don't have to be pinning it all the time to have fun. It does help, but I also enjoy the slow stuff. It's really rough there. It's probably shaking all the KTMs to pieces. And onto a baby Dragon's Back, I suppose you could call it. Whoa, onto the MX track now, so it's a bit faster. I got a thing for drop-offs, so this is perfect. Boom, one. Land it, slight bit of a right-hander here, and then down onto another drop-off, straighten up so I don't land skew with. Flat out on the power now, around here on the berm as fast as I can go up here. This jump's easy. Come up this slight incline, there's a bit of a kink before the jump where you've got to straighten for the jump. Can I make it? No. Well, hopefully I'm going to make that soon.
My hands are killing. This has got to be the last few laps now. I've been given the death grip all day.
And eating a lot of sand burgers. Fair play to this little dude. I'll keep well out of his way. And now I'm past. Kind of give it a little squirt now.
This is my worst corner. I've nearly slid so many times. It's horrible.
That did give me heart palpitations. I'm going to take this shortcut anyway to gain that ground I just lost. Seems you won't know. Until now. I do like this. It's a lot steeper in real life. The camera does not do it justice. Heading towards the single track now. I really enjoy this section. It's great going through all the trees and having the tree roots to contend with, and you've got a ditch one side. This is why I like Enduro, you know, you've got all these elements of danger and you're on the edge of it, ripping your bike through the trees. It's brilliant. As you come out of here, you've got these massive ruts. I've seen so many people stall out there today. Look, he's made an appearance. There's Simon. Into the 4x4 ruts now we go. Just use them like berms. Oh, past Simon there. Stop waiting for me. You're making me look bad. More 4x4 ruts now. I'm really enjoying these, they're great fun. Can I catch him?
Oh, he's off. Got him. He's actually fallen off. Huh. It's probably one of the first few times I've seen him come off.
kidney pounding section now, believe me. Jump. Feels like I've got some good pace going now, but we're coming into this section where I keep seeing a lot of people get caught in this rut. Oh, he hasn't done it. Oh, look, I spot the cameraman. Oh, let's try and do something fancy. Try and do a wheelie now, quick. That didn't work.
Here we are at the switchbacks.
There's an audience, I must wheelie. That was a bit erratic. And again. Christ, mate. There's no trophies, it's not a race.
Oh, no, not. Concentrate, don't watch him. This is lovely terrain, I love this. Looks like that's it for today. My hands are killing. I've been riding for 2.6 hours of that Enduro over that hard stuff, and death grip.
You you're behind us for it just fucking like went, that was it. Well.
What, when you come off?
Yeah. What?
I got that.
Did you?
Well, I was behind. I don't think it quite saw you fall, but I caught you on the floor,
Yeah.
which is rare.